Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Baby Trump AI. I will share it's their NFTs. You can buy their tokens from Uniswap. I will share all their detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Crypto Silent. Press the bell icon so you will get a message and a notification for my new updates here, and you can go and watch videos from it. So without wasting your time, I will start review this brilliant project. You are invited to a Baby Trump AI token. As you know about the Trump, so now they are launching about the Baby Trump token, which is a good one, and it will go to the moon in the future. So must go and invest in it. So you can see it a Baby Trump AI token. You can join their Telegram group. I will give all their links in my video description. So you can see it here, Baby Trump. The cute logo is given here, which is the cute Baby Trump here. You can see it here. So if I go, who does not love a baby? So here they tell about that babies are basically simply innocent, pure and genuine. So everyone go and love the baby, and there is no person in this world who doesn't love a baby. Babies are simply innocent, pure and genuine, which is why we have chosen a Baby Trump as a meme token. So Baby Trump is not about politics. We are not pushing any political views or sides. They are simply having fun with the Baby Trump, helping holders make great gains with the crypto project. So you can see it here. They are going here. You can buy that token. Baby Trump will be supporting other babies with a baby and supplier and giveaways. You can see their journey. They have total given here. You can see next one is Baby Trump plan to create millionaires for holders. You can join them on Twitter, and you can see it here. So further they are given here the third one, which is the Baby Trump plan to revolutionize the crypto space by accelerating crypto adoption, bringing the future. You can see step into the future. You can see all the details. You can see their site on success is given here. Supply, you can see it here. The baby supply Baby Trump AI project will use fund generated from the project to help and support the single mothers with the newborns. Baby Trump will be giving away baby supply to the single mothers. You can see baby supply is a given project. It is the AI project, and it will generate funds and it will give them to the single mothers, and they are helping for that. So if you want to help single mothers, you can go and invest in this project. They will get funds from you, and they will go give their supply to the single mothers. Baby Trump crypto friends are given here. Baby Trump welcomes you to the community as they celebrate and welcome crypto adoptions, freedom and finance. You can take them to the party. You can see their roadmap is given. Established community. First of all, they involve creating social media accounts such as Twitter, Telegram group. They have the pre-launch in which they will go for the content creation and launch website. They have marketing campaigns to grow their project and the community on YouTube, Twitter, AMA, and they have the coin market cap and CoinGecko listing. They have also the exchange listing. You can see their video updates is given here. You can watch that video. I will not play on it because the copyright issue. You can play and work on it. They are the business baby. Baby Trump understand business. Top holders will receive weekly giveaways for their loyalty and care for the project. So they have the business baby which understand business. It is a top holder that will receive giveaways for their holding the baby. So you can see they also have the baby supplies. They one major utility of this project is to help and assist single mothers with much needed baby supplies. So Baby Trump is solving real world problems. They are making a world impact. So you can see they are working for the world impact, that they are generating that money for the single mothers, for the newborn babies having with their single mothers. So they are making a community to for the baby supplies. So must go and join that, so you can also get a goodness from them too. The Baby Trump NFTs are given. The fun begins, and you can see amazing unique Baby Trump NFTs are now available on OpenSea. I will share that on OpenSea too. They have prepared for the moon with the Baby Trump NFTs for every holders is given here. You can see it here. All the details is given here. You can see buckle up for the moon. Baby Trump AI token long-term plan is to make every holders of the token to gain financial freedom in this bull market. Freedom, they have a great and a dedicated team for the meme project. So it is the best meme project on the baby. As you know, babies are so cute and they are genuine and simple, so you can see that's why they are going for it. There are different NFT. They are also helping the single mothers. Baby Trump AI token official global chat is given here. You can contact them onto the Telegram. They have Uniswap given here. You can buy them from the Uniswap. You have to basically select the token here. After selecting the token, you can be able to buy it and you can work on it too. So Baby Trump, if I go for the OpenSea, they have given here the OpenSea NFTs. You can see their address is Trump is given here on the OpenSea. You can see Baby Trump AI is a meme token on Ethereum. Baby Trump welcomes you to the financial freedom. You can see they are so cute. NFTs are given. Their price is given like 0.26 Ethereum. Different prices given. You can buy them from here. Their different prices. Their different NFTs are given. Their price at that time is low, but in the future their price will goes up, and you can see them. You can see they have the Dex tool too. You can see their basically their graphs on it, and you can work on it. They have the contact is given. You can contact them on Telegram, Twitter, email. There are all details given. I will give that too. You can contact them on the Twitter. You can follow them on the Twitter. They have the account on Twitter. They are working on it. They are giving their basically different videos on it, and you can be a part of their project. They have the Crypto Cafe. Their news will be given on the Twitter. So if you want to join their community, you must go and be a part of their Twitter. Twitter is a very good project. You can easily be able to make money on it. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.